my new system. Gino, are you ready? Is he ready? Are you ready, Gino? We are go. Go, go, go.
I want to grab the lady show on.
Go, 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 whatever.
No, go, go, go. That's like Drayton Manor.
I know, typical Drayton Manor, dude.
They won't have as fast as I hear them.
Oh, here we go.
It's a wonderful time. My name is Colin Bryan and I can do magic. If you don't believe me, how about this?
It's alright.
I told you so. Now, 60 years ago, my dad, George Bryan, had this wonderful idea of creating a family theme park where boys, girls, mums, dads and grandparents could come and enjoy themselves. Now, where is he? Oh, there you are. And what did you call your theme park? Drayton Manor Theme Park.
I can't believe you said that! Sorry. What did you do? Very much nice. What did you call your theme park? Drayton Manor Theme Park. That's made my day. I know. I'll be on the haunting. I can't believe I just laughed at my boss.
Where it opened the very first ride here in 1950. It was the first major ride to the park and it was very popular. What did you call it? The snake train.
Was in the year 89 on that old Chicago line, when the wind was blowing shrill. The rails were frozen, the people were cold, and the air brakes wouldn't hold, and number 9 came roaring down the hill. Oh, the runaway train came down the track and she blew. The runaway train came down the track and she blew. The runaway train come down the track, the whistle wide and the throttle back and she blew. Oh, the engineer said the train was false and she blew. The engineer said the train was false and she blew. The engineer said the train was false. He said it was all the fireman's fault and she blew. Blew, blew, blew. The fireman said he rang the bell and she blew. The fireman said he rang the bell. The engineer said he did and she blew. runaway train went over the hill and she flew. The runaway train went over the hill and she flew. The runaway train went over the hill and she heard she was going to steal and she flew.
Here we go.
Now, Dad, do you like animals? In 1957, you opened our zoo. We had a leopard, some sea lions, and 2 chimpanzees. And
Oh dear. Typical Drayton Manor that is. Oh dear. Oh, we've seen Nick Cherry here now. We have that. Big doy again. I bet they are. I bet they are steaming. John's going absolute dirt, probably. That was actually quite funny. We had a leopard, and so you got... Oh, this has got to go on YouTube. Drayton Manor.
Sorry about that. There's been a trip out on the actual the projector, so Gina has told me we're just going to reset and carry on from where we were.
This is hilarious. Poor old Gina.